Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker JBL Flip 7 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write JBL. Now search and you should install JBL Portable application, not JBL headphones. Now open it. Click Get Started, Accept, Allow. If you want to this application send you a notification, click Allow, and if you don't need it, click Do Not Allow. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!